Hi everyone. This is our new system for creating wash and fold orders. It makes processing customer laundry requests faster and more organized. We'll walk through the key features so you can see exactly how it works. Let's start by initiating a new order. Let's start creating a new order by clicking the shopping cart icon in the top right corner. The customer selection pop-up opens, and we need to verify we're working with the correct location by clicking on the location drop-down. We'll select Kanso Laundry to ensure we're processing this order for the right business location. We can browse through our customer database to find the right customer. We'll select Amara Okafor as our customer for this wash and fold order. The system instantly loads the wash and fold order interface, ready for us to process their laundry items. We'll start by entering the weight of the first bag, 22 pounds. Next, we click the camera icon to capture photo proof of the weight. The built-in camera opens instantly, allowing us to photograph the bag for accurate documentation. We select Use Photo to securely attach this visual proof to our weight record. For the second bag, we simply click the plus Add button to create another weight entry. We enter the second bag's weight, 18.5 pounds, maintaining precise records for billing. Again, we use the camera feature to document this second bag. We capture a clear photo of the second bag to complete our documentation, and we click Use Photo to finalize the weight record with visual proof attached. Let's handle the customer's blanket by exploring our add-on services. We simply select Blanket from our comprehensive add-ons menu. The system presents all available blanket options for precise service customization. We choose King Size Jock Standard to match exactly what the customer brought in. Next, we capture visual proof by accessing the integrated camera feature. We document the blanket's condition with a clear photo for quality assurance. We confirm the photo attachment to maintain complete order documentation. Finally, we add the blanket service to the cart, building our complete order. Let's handle the customer's special care request by accessing the care options. We can instantly add separate wash to ensure their colors are properly separated during the wash cycle. We're ready to process this order. Let's proceed to checkout. The checkout screen displays our complete order summary with the total amount for easy verification. For this order, we'll defer payment collection and select Pay Later to accommodate the customer's preferred payment timing. Excellent. The system confirms our transaction is complete, even without immediate payment. We'll finish the process and return to our main workflow. And there we have it. Our new wash and fold order appears at the top of the orders list, ready for processing. And that's the checkout process with flexible payment options. You've now seen how to create a complete wash and fold order from start to finish, including photos, add-ons, and care preferences. The system keeps everything simple and organized.